Hi there, I'm Caitlin Cash, the designer for the Prompt Zine. This time we're going to be looking at my process for this Wild West Hackenfest page. This year's conference theme is based on the X-Files. This page is a spoof on the I Want to Believe posters that originated from the X-Files. I'm usually a strong advocate for not stealing designs and doing fan art, but I'm starting to come around with some caveats. If a design is enhanced by referencing a beloved IP and the whole point of it is to celebrate that IP, I can see the validity of it. But if the design is simply borrowed as inspiration because there isn't a clear design vision and the design ends up looking mighty similar, that's not okay. For something like that, it's better to gather a lot of different references and try to understand what defines that whole style, instead of just imitating one example. They say good artists borrow, great artists steal. The difference is if you've truly made it your own. My process for this one required more photo alteration and less illustration. I started by photo bashing the idea together in InDesign to see it in place, test out the fonts, and then brought it into Photoshop to add some flavor. The background photo is one I took last year at Deadwood where the con is held. The UFO is a stock image. Since this issue is paired with 3D glasses, I tried to build this with a bit of a 3D effect. I created this effect by manually separating various layers in the Z-space, duplicating the selection, nudging each copy to the sides, and tinting each copy, one blue, one red. I can't apply that all at once to the whole photo because the difference of how far you nudge the copies apart changes how far away they look in 3D. If you just apply the same nudge to the whole photo, there's no difference in depth. What you don't get to see, because I wasn't recording my webcam, was the constant testing with the 3D glasses on and off. It was a journey. The actual recording was only about an hour of work, but before that was an additional 3-ish hours of testing how to do the 3D effect, the glitch effect, finding fonts, and finding the images. If you want to test this out for yourself and learn about cybersecurity, subscribe for a free physical copy of the zine. This one will come with glasses. Link in the description or go to promptzine.com. Thanks for watching.